panhandle of West Virginia, south central Berkeley County, and the panhandle of West Virginia until 12. Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 96, effective until 4 p.m. This watch includes the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland: Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Calvert, Carroll, Harford, Howard, Kent, Montgomery, Prince George's, Queen Anne's, and Talbot, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore, and the following: Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland; Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland; Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland; Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland; Patapsco River, Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, and Pawtucket River. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons... for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service Thunderstorm Watch number 96 has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex, and the following counties in Maryland: Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Caroline, Cecil, Harford, Howard, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore, and the following counties in New Jersey: Cumberland and Salem, and Chester, Pennsylvania, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach. Source: radar indicated. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland; Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland; Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland; Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 1:30 p.m. At 11:59 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles west of Middle River to 21 nautical miles north of Key Bridge, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard: sudden onset of wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Turkey Point, North Point State Park, Hart Miller Island, Chester River, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Pools Island, Spassuti Island, Love Point, Gunpowder River, Baltimore Light, 7-Foot Knoll, Kent Narrows Bridge, Pinehurst, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Little or no lightning may accompany these storms. Here is the official National Weather